Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to send greetings to the International Conference of Asian Political Parties. I thank our Chinese hosts and all of you for your active participation. This year's theme, Promoting Green Development and Beautiful Asia, is particularly relevant in this time of test and transition. The world needs sustainable solutions. Green development can help people meet their aspirations while protecting our planet. Such policies, in the context of poverty eradication, are especially suited to the Asia-Pacific region. Green development is crucial to reducing poverty, reinforcing economic dynamism, and coping with the rapid urbanization and industrialization. By shifting the region and our world to a more inclusive and sustainable path of development, we can reduce the risks of climate change and help ensure the future we want. The United Nations is your committed partner. Our Sustainable Energy for All initiative is one area for focused collaboration. I thank the region for taking part in the Asian and Pacific Energy Forum organized by the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia, which is now taking place in Vladivostok with the support of the Russian Federation. I'm confident that together we can create more just, equitable, and inclusive societies and protect our people and planet for generations to come. I wish you a productive meeting and look forward to working with you to achieve a green and beautiful Asia. Thank you.